Today we are going to start our third chapter, that is the story of Fidgety Philip. So Philip is the name of a boy and fidgety means someone who is restless or uneasy. So this is in the form of a poem which is written by Henrik Hoffman. And so this is a poem which is about issues related to adolescence. Adolescence is a period of a person's life between being a child and becoming an adult. That means between the ages of about 13 and 17. So during this age, most of the children become very naughty and restless. They do not listen to their elders and do whatever they feel like doing without thinking about the consequences, or without thinking whatever they are doing is right or wrong. But as not all fingers are same, not all children behave the same way. Some are really well behaved and nice, but that needs proper guidance and counseling. So this story is also of a guy who was very naughty. So in this scene, what you can see here is there is this man who is getting really very angry on someone, and this is a lady who is stopping this boy from doing something, and this boy is pulling this tablecloth and the food is falling down, is about to fall. And on the next page, in the next scene, as you can see here, that boy has fallen down along with the chair, and all the food and utensils also has fallen down and is over him. And these two people, those who are getting angry and stopping him, are looking angry and worried. So to know what would have happened, let us go through the poem. Let me see if Philip can be a little gentleman. Let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table. Thus Papa bade Phil behave, and Mamma looked very grave. But fidgety Phil, he won't sit still. He wriggles and giggles, and then I declare, swing backwards and forwards and tilts up his chair. Just like any rocking horse, Philip, I'm getting cross. See the naughty restless child growing still more rude and wild. Till his chair falls over quite, Philip screams with all his might, catches at the cloth, but then that makes matter worse again. Down upon the ground they fall, glasses, plates, knives, forks and all. How Mamma did fret and frown when she saw them tumbling down, and Papa made such a face, Philip is in sad disgrace. Where's Philip? Where's he? Fairly covered up you see, cloth and all are lying on him, he has pulled down all upon him. What a terrible thing to do, dishes, glasses snapped in two, here a knife and there a fork, Philip, this is cruel work. Table also bare, and poor Papa and poor Mamma look quite cross and wonder how they shall have their dinner now. So after going through the poem, I would say that the story of Fidgety Philip is a story of a boy who could not sit still at the dinner table. As described in the poem, Philip moves backwards and up forwards on his chair and leaves the glasses, plates, spoons and forks scattered all over. By seeking this, Philip's parents looked quite angry and worried. As all the food has fallen down, now what they are going to have in their dinner now, and all the utensils are also broken. So they are quite angry and sad. So this is all about in the story, and what moral do you get from this story? Please send me a voice note about it.